Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a quick video in regard to getting parents the login information for students for accessing Raz Plus from home. There's a quick way to do this right from within your account. So I'm just going to show you quick on the video how to download and produce a parent handout. So as you can see here, I'm logged into my account. I'm going to go up here. You can see I'm logged in and I'm going to go to Teacher Corner. And when I go to Teacher Corner, you can see there's a drop down. And I'm going to go to, I have to scroll here, Parent Information. So when I click on Parent Information, it takes me to another page where I can scroll down. And essentially, you can just download a parent letter for each of your students that you currently have rostered in your account. So before you go to print these parent letters, it would be wise to make sure you have all of your students added. Then do the parent letters. So right now, Miller has their students added. They're ready to send home the parent login information. So I'm going to just click on English. And when I click on English, you're going to see here, it downloaded a group of parent letters. And you can see, I download it, I can open it. So when I open this up, I can see, okay, here's my first student, AA. We don't use identifiable student information. This is a parent letter to him explaining that you have access to Raz Plus and Science A to Z. It explains this is where your kids will go to log in. Then it says enter or choose the student's, the teacher's username, and it gives them that. Then it says find your student's username, and it gives them that. And then it says enter the password, and it gives them that. So this should really be all the parents need to be able to access Raz Plus from home. So this could be uploaded to a learning plan for a student for directions for parents. One thing I wanted to show you is that you can see when it downloaded every single student in the roster, okay? And obviously you need to get these in a format to be shared with parents. So I'm going to go ahead and up in the download, I'm going to download these to my PC. So you can see here, I'm just going to share them out to my desktop. Okay. Then I'm going to navigate out to my desktop. Okay, I have a lot of things open. Sorry about that. So out on my desktop, you can see here I've got my parent letters. Okay, so here I am. Again, this is all 18 of my students, and I don't want that. I only want the parent letter for AA because that is the parent letter that I need to upload to my learning board for right now. So I'm going to show you a workaround. You can go up here and you can go File, Print. When you print, I want you to have selected a print to Adobe PDF. Okay, and then pages, you just want to say pages 1 to 1. Okay, and then I'm going to say print. The reason I'm saying 1 to 1 is because AA is on the first page of my 18-page document. Okay, if my second student, let's say Larissa, the student starts on page 2, I would say just print pages 2 to 2. That way it's only going to print one page. You could also just say print the current page, but then make sure you're on the page of the student that you want printed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say print. And it's going to say, okay, well, what do you want to save this and where do you want to save it? So in this case, since this is for student AA, I might say AA Raz parent letter. Okay, I have to give it a different name here. I was just doing this with a teacher, so that's why. So I'm just going to say save. Okay, now it tells me it's ready. So when I go out to my desktop where I saved it, you can see here, I have just that document for just this student. I can now take this document, this PDF that I have out on my desktop, okay, and I can upload that to my drive and then link it into a learning board. So I just want to really quickly show one quick way to get all of that information for Raz Plus logins to parents. Please reach out to any AT specialist if you have any questions or need help walking through this again. Thanks, guys.